Hello, this is a short tutorial about the toolkit developed in the STIT project. This is the front end. It's basically a WordPress installation with a customized theme. So what's this? Essentially, it is a lesson plan. The youth workers or vet teachers, because it's for vet teachers, come here and develop their activities. Go to the next section, and there are some activities, some tools. Yes, duration. These are some. Okay, the name, the activities with the required software tools. So the activity has a ready-made description and some tips. That's the idea. Alright, so you could see in the lesson plan creator that it uses some activities and tools. Let's see the activity tab. These are the activities, a long list of activities. For each activity there is a description with the tips and techniques that we have seen earlier on materials. You go here, you get to the tools. So this is the tools tab. Okay, all the tools are presented. So basically you choose an activity and it tells you what tools you may use for that activity. So for these, if I click, it's an opening new tab window. Yeah, something like that. How does it work? This is just a page and different languages. Let's see the Italian, for example. Persian. Then later. Right. So now let's see the backend. This is the dashboard. Okay, screen options. What else we can see here? Not so much. I'm just an editor in this web page, so I can't really see too much. Okay, this is the WordPress and the QZR theme for the STIT project. The QZR is the technological partner in the project. Apparently they've customized the theme for this project. Okay, let's see what we have here. Posts. Nothing, basically. Media library. Okay, what's here? 151 items. Most of them, I mean all of them are images. Images for the tools, as I can see. Right. Activity log. Well, this is interesting because it provides insights on the indicators, like how many people have read this, have downloaded, have viewed, and so on. So it's, analytics. Right, pages. Okay, not so much. So how does it work? And that's the thing that we have seen here. Okay, this was Italian. Eventually it opened. Okay, and so how does it work? How does it work? It's just a page, nothing complicated. It's the edit tab. Okay, and different languages, as you can see here: Italian, Romanian, Spanish, and English. Okay, footer, nothing, impostazioni. I don't know what this is. Let's see the activities. So we have 127 activities in English plus in 3 other languages: Italian, Romanian, Spanish. All in all, 508 activity items. For each item we can edit the translation. I only have the rights to edit the Romanian translation, and then can edit inside each activity. Let's see. So drop down menu for the duration, and then tools that I can, there is also a drop down kind of to choose, probably from the tools tab, tools menu, which we'll see a bit later. This is activity description, materials, tips and techniques. These are exactly that we have seen in the front end, the lesson planner. Okay, next. Right, how to edit the translation, like this. See, it's pretty much the same but in a different language. Don't want to save this. We want to switch back to English. Check this. Right, add an activity. We don't have an activity to add. We can check the categories. Nothing really. Actually, 2 categories: action and conclusion. I'm not sure if I recall this. Okay, so action, and at the end here we've got conclusion. So this is how they tagged them. It's interesting. Let's see one activity in the conclusion part. Edit. On the right hand side here there should be a category here, conclusion, right. Okay. Okay, what else have we got here? Skills. So skills are attached to the activities. Suppose that you do an activity to develop some skills. And okay, so this is a long list of skills, 203 items. Let's check one in English. No? Attention. Okay, let's see. Nothing really, but I'm not sure where these activities, these skills are, how these skills are linked to the activities. Let's check again the activities and see if we can find in the right hand side something. Language, skills. Okay, it takes some time. And there is a long list of skills and tick box. Okay, this and this. Now I'm not sure how these appear in the front end, but anyway. Right, so we are done with the activities. Let's see the tools. Okay. Oh, sorry. So again, this one, then English and 3 more languages, edit in different languages, and let's check one tool. Okay, drop down menu to select freemium, free or open source, description and URL. Let's check the categories. Nothing in the category part. Okay, that's it apparently. Let's check category again. No categories. Let's see, profile. This is my profile. Okay, the WPML translator, Yoast, the SEO, but not much. Apparently this is to export XLIF files for translation. export and then import. And that's it. Okay, so again a WordPress installation with a customized theme can create a nice lesson planner like this one. Basically you add all your data here, activities, select tools, and then you can simply save this as a PDF and you have a lesson plan. Thanks for watching.